What's up, YouTube? Today is Tuesday. Not like it matters to you guys, but we're gonna wrap this truck for a company we do a lot of work for. This is how many? We did the lettering a while back, but they got a new service body box on it.
Oh, we've done probably
Eight of them, just like this.
2 of them burn up.
2 of them.
Wrap it hot.
Yeah, 2 of them burn up. That's kind of their theme. If you haven't watched the cancer event video, go ahead and do that. So I'm just moving our quad pod, tripod. This one's got storage in it, you know? It's a mess, but this one's got storage. You guys got a quad tripod with storage? Probably not. So before we start wrapping, we gotta change our monkey strips. We just put them in this water bottle. There's a lid on it, so they stay clean. Help prevent scratching. We change them as often as we can. They just come like this. Bada bing, bada boom. Ta-da. That was done. I'm gonna do these other two. So I'm gonna set you guys up here, and we're just gonna time lapse doing the hood. So enjoy. Good morning. It's the next day. We didn't get much done on the Ram besides getting it kind of tore apart. We had to run a car back to town and pick up a semi to letter. But this morning I am working on wrapping this upper piece in black, just because you can't ever get a clean cut from your main graphic, you know? You can't ever get a clean cut because of these funky things, so I just removed the bolt behind here and pulled it away, and we're gonna go behind there. That way it'll just look a lot cleaner. And then once I get this strip of black on, I might take this door off and go behind here and the bottoms too. We'll see. I'm probably gonna do that just because it's gonna look better. That's what I did. Basically put an inlay of black, you know, That way it's behind there instead of trying to cut around it and then it's white. It doesn't look very nice. So, you know, so we can't always do this because some boxes are just pretty rough. But this is a pretty new, I think it's a brand new box. So, this way it'll be just a cleaner looking install. Now, if this box was black, we wouldn't have to worry about it, but because it's white and we're kind of wrapping it black.
The only reason we do that, it just makes it look more finished.
Yeah. Just finishes it really nicely. And they'll tell you that at wrap classes to do inlays. Well, Dad went to mail off some merch. We do have some merch on our website. Check it out. We're sending 2 of those. I ended up pinstriping another cup, and we're sending them to Fenton, Missouri, over by St. Louis. Bo, how's that? All right, I gotta grab some magnets. Maybe they're in here. Let's see. So just kind of mocking it up where we want it. If you don't already know, they do garage doors. Did I show you guys our new printer? I don't know if I did or not. Can't remember. So this is an Epson 4600. It's a sweet machine. So I don't know if you've ever taken apart or taken out the door handles on a Dodge Ram, but it's pretty intense.
And the only reason we do it, we could cut around them, but we want it to look like paint.
Yeah. It's got to look good, right? Side prepped, and we actually take the window out just to get these bolts off, because whoever designed these trucks doesn't have to work on them usually, so but that's what it takes to get it out of the way. Makes our job a little easier as far as installation goes, and a lot cleaner. Now I just gotta clean it, get this double face tape off, and go to town. Well, we wanted to put the door on so we could kind of figure out where the box is gonna go. But it's the next day. It's windy, cold. So this is what we got done yesterday. I didn't film us doing those just because we just wanted to get moving. But we had another truck to let her, so we didn't get very far. But we got that. Rear door, front door. Just got the fender left on this side. And then yesterday, I took these doors off so I could just kind of put some inlays in here before we started wrapping. When I took this gas cap cover off. So now I just gotta put the doors back on, clean everything up good, and then before we start on that side, we'll probably put this side together quick. Just because these Dodges are kind of a pain. They're not bad, it's a lot. Just to get the door handles off. It's not like they used to be where there was a screw here and they lift it out. But yeah. So I got the doors put back on this side. We got it mocked up. We got the door mocked up, so we know that's where we want it to be. I'm not gonna film this, but I will film us putting these next pieces on, since I didn't film that on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this wheel out, just so okay. That just makes it easier so you're not fighting with all that extra material. We'll probably cut that top off too. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and throw this on quick. Once this is done, we'll kind of show you how we do these. All right, so we got this pretty much done. Just gotta throw it back together and, you know, do some, we like to put some edge tape around the doors where you're grabbing it with your hands and stuff. Just helps with longevity. So if you guys want to see this knifeless in action, it's basically just a fishing line that we put underneath the vinyl. Can you see that? Just like that, it's cut. I went ahead and put a black inlay here because it's hard to get behind this depth fill here.
Well, we want it to look nice and not just a big white piece.
Yeah, that way it looks uniform. And you always want to make sure you get both of these green pieces of tape from your knifeless. And once you're done pulling this out, you just go over it with your hard card. We got the back door all cut and finished. We just laid the second piece up, and we have to basically line up, you know, this piece to this piece. You always start in the back because you want your seam so the air flows past it like that.
That is if you have a seam. We tried to go without seams.
Well, it won't have a seam here because it gets cut in the door, but there's only gonna be one seam in this whole truck, and it'll be up here and down there. All right, update on the old wrap. We got the fenders done. Dad's finishing up the front of this box here, just wrapping it in black so it goes with the rest of the truck. Then tomorrow morning we'll throw it together and pull it outside. I didn't film the fenders just because we've been kind of all over the place. We had to tint this pickup quick. It's pretty dark. So we just kind of running out of time, but we got the fenders done. So that's probably it for tonight. Tomorrow we'll throw it back together and pull it outside. Look how full our ditch is.
No, hey, that's not a ditch, Logan. That's our new tube ride adventure.
Oh, Cutting Edge is Lazy River. Morning. Anyways, so today, obviously we're throwing this back together. My GoPro kind of died on me last night a couple times, so I don't know how well that comes through, but Dad's throwing it back together. I'm gonna work on putting some edge tape on these, you know, where you're grabbing them with your hands, just to kind of help protect the edge. You know, we want it to last, obviously.
They get highly used.
Yeah, they get pretty abused. So we want them to look good all the time. I just basically went up and cut a bunch of strips. I'm gonna get going on that. Okay, so you just put it on the edge, just like, you know how when you see a new car and they put paint protection on this edge? Same thing. Okay, you just slowly work it over the edge. So now when people go to grab this, there's no open edge there. Okay, I won't bore you with this anymore. It's all put back together. Turned out great. Now this usually wouldn't have taken us, how many days have we been working on it? 3? 2.5? I'm gonna say 3. We, we usually never have one thing going on at the same time, so we had truck graphics to do and tint jobs to do in between. But it turned out pretty nice. This is number 8 that we've done for this company.
Yeah, we've done a lot.
I thought about pulling it outside, but it's kind of raining.
Yeah, we'll pick up inside.
So we'll let them we're just gonna leave it inside and they can back it out. Next week we're doing that yellow truck stripes, and
Got a service truck coming.
another service truck coming, which I don't know if I'll film that. So we're just wrapping the front gray, but maybe I'll make a short out of it. Appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.